Mr. Speaker. It's a pleasure to be here this morning with Representative Willis and Representative Huggins for this momentous occasion. This is a very special day for all of us, especially in House District 73. We have two teams to celebrate with Ben Lippen School, who has done an outstanding job this year in winning championships. And we're going to start with our cheerleading team to celebrate Ben Lippen School varsity competitive cheerleading team on capturing the 2021 South Carolina Independent School Association Class 3A State Championship title, and to congratulate them and its coaches on its scintillating season. Having taken home 3 state titles in 5 years, the Ben Lippen School varsity competitive cheerleading team is no stranger to the art of winning high honors. On November 13th, the Lady Falcons resolved that they would not lead the 2021 championship competition without the hard work they proved themselves worthy of. Soaring above a strong Trinity College team, Ben Lippen top flight athletes finished with a score of 273 to Trinity's 267. The North Charleston Athletic Center cited the title competition has seldom seen such a magnificent display of excellence as it was demonstrated that day by the graceful Lady Falcons. Multiple winning head coach Ellen Jennings, with the outstanding support of assistant coaches Beth Bearden, Corey Call, urged the Falcons to greater and greater effort toward achieving their very best performance. As a result of these dedicated coaches, well rewarded as Ben Lippen was proclaimed with the 2021 championship. Further, the competition, the Lady Falcons provide outreach to homeless community, which is very important. Along with being stellar athletes, they continue to participate in our community through First Baptist Church by supplying nearly 100 personal care bags for folks in our community. Let's give them a hand for that part.
Stand up, man.
And Mr. Speaker, we're very proud of their accomplishments, and we would ask you to congratulate the Ben Lippen cheerleading team for what a wonderful job they do in sports and also in our community.
Thank you, ladies. You can easily proud of you.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. We're still here with the championship school of Ben Lippen. Also want to thank one of our pages, King Gentry, who's a student at Columbia International University. He was which is actually on the same very theater, Ben Lippen. He was very helpful in getting those resolutions up. And now we want to bring the wrestling team to you, Mr. Speaker. And we want to recognize and honor the Ben Lippen School Wrestling Team coaches and school officials for a remarkable season, to congratulate them for winning the 2021-22 South Carolina Association Independent School State Championship title. The South Carolina General Assembly is pleased to learn that Ben Lippen Wrestling Team of Richland County captured the state trophy at the tournament held on Ben Lippen's campus on Saturday, February 5th, 2022. This was to the cheers and exuberant fans that Ben Lippen Falcons defeated the top-seeded Hammond Skyhawks from Garden to the second state title, 45-32. Here's the important part. At 160, Stone Porter got a first period pin for Ben Lippen. Hammond tied the match at 113 with a second period pin at 6-6. Reese Carson put the Falcons back on top with a second period pin at 120. Hammond answered with the second period pin at 126. Then Hammond took another match at 132 for a 16-12 Skyhawk lead, followed by a first period pin for Hammond at 138. Falcon Tanner Carson cut the Skyhawk lead to 22-15 with a 5-2 win at 145. And teammate Zach McDougal at 152 built a 10-0 lead. Obviously, point before injury left the Skyhawk unable to continue. With 6 matches remaining, Ben Lippen was the only one point behind the Skyhawks with a slim 22-21 lead. But 4 remaining Hammond wrestlers were ranked number 1, One of them a heavyweight, and the Falcons had no true heavyweight defenseman. When Ben Lippen, Henderson Jones at 160 scored an early takedown, his hammer opponent was able to escape and get a takedown of his own early in the second period to have a 3-2 lead. Jones then got a reversal and pinned his opponent with less than a minute in the second to change the course of the entire match. The Falcons' great quarter followed with the second period pin at 170 to give his team a 32-22 lead, but two more victories for Henry reduced the Ben Lippen lead to 33-32. Ben Lippen Jr. Trey Talbot at 22-22 faced off against Hammond 8th grader who scored an early takedown, but Talbot escaped, setting his opponent's lead at 2-1. The Falcons team included Price Medley, if you can say, Price Medley, juniors Burton Brewer, Andrew Brumgard, Tanner Carson, Nathaniel Cole Dudley, Preston Halter, Jeffrey Hunt, Zach McDougal, Trey Tower, sophomores Reese Carson, Jeffrey Muir, Samuel Wellsford, freshman Frank Cahoon, Howard Desch, Jake Gallagher, Austin Huff, Harrison Jones, middle schoolers Jonathan Berlin, JC Chiquitas, Tim Cole, Ben Cole, Landon Dagenhart, Justin Desch, Wilfred Fitz, Braden Barr, Drake Porter, Stone Porter, Kenny Sample, Caleb Scott, Sheriff Shuford, Hudson Traylon, Wyatt Turner, Gabe Van Alstein, 5th graders Caleb Craft, Noah Gillum, Sam Kipp, and then we have our coaches, head coach Bert Medlin, assistant coaches Chris Sample and Wes Kessler. Mr. Speaker, if the House would join me in congratulating Ben Lippen, rest of the team, on a victorious and championship